Welcome to Zai Zai's channel! Anong gagawin natin ngayon? Ibuhaton ta?
Pizza!
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream.
Okay, you like pizza?
Yeah,
Why?
I like it.
Because you like it. Okay. So, because you like pizza, gagawa tayo ngayon ng pizza and yung kailangan natin, we need 2.5 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon yeast, we also need 1 tablespoon oil, then we also need 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, and water. We need water. What's this? Okay. Sige. And of course, we also need 1 cup lukewarm water. Para hindi tayo ma-disturb, kailangan niya rin magkaroon ng sarili niya output at bibigyan natin ng pizza flour itong ating kasama with this water. So this is your flour, this is your water. You simply mix them and do the komos-komos. Okay, I'll do also my job. First, you have to mix all the dry ingredients. Ayan. Ihalo natin yung mga dry ingredients na umalo na. The yeast. Lagyan natin yung yeast.
I have no yeast.
This is your yeast. Okay.
I have no yeast at right there.
You also put some sugar.
I have me. I have me.
Sugar. Yeast is good. Yeast is good. So that you have your space. Okay. And also, write the salt. Simply have to.
I have no salt.
Okay. Simply have to mix all the dry ingredients. Then the oil. We have no oil. The oil. And we have to mix the lukewarm water. Ayan, slowly lang po. This is how to make the dough of the pizza. Mamaya I will see the output of my experiment. You get there. Oil. What's that?
I don't know.
It's a flour. What? Flour. Say it again.
More flowers, please. More flowers.
So this is now the output, and we have to allow it to sit for just 1 hour.
More flowers. More flowers.
with,
Yes.
what's this?
I don't know.
You don't know?
About what?
Doon ka.
Ano hindi? Ano nakdal? What? Ano nakdal?
Atsal.
That is asphalt. Asphalt. Yung asphalt. Asphalt. Ay, Dad!
What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know?